Students, in this lecture we will explain you infix, postfix and prefix. We will not explain everything, we will only explain that what is the algorithm of infix to postfix. Already we have explained in the class. So here again, so there are two things. Number one is this is A plus B, suppose this one. So what is A and what is this plus and what is B? So A and B both are operand and this plus is operator. Okay, whenever the operator between the operand, you will say that this is infix. Very simple, very simple. Okay, whenever this is operand, this is operand, this is operator. Whenever the operator before the operand, that is the prefix. And similarly for postfix, whenever the operator after the operand are A and B, so this is the postfix. So there are some algorithm, okay, in your programming language for infix, that is LVR. L means left whenever tree form of the infix, whenever tree form of the infix. So this L means left and R means right and V means widget. You can see that this is tree type of structure. So whenever you have tree type of structure, so at first you have to read left, then widget, then right. So this expression is called infix. Similarly, for prefix, widget left right means at first widget, then left, then right. We will teach you such type of examples after some time. Okay, now postfix LRV means left right widget. At first left, then right, then widget. Very simple. Okay, so at first, suppose in your exam the teacher has asked you convert infix to postfix. How? So this algorithm you have to write in your copy. My request to everyone that please open the copy and write it. The first one is priority operator. Okay, so this is the symbol of power, that is the first one. Okay, then after then star and divide, that is the second priority, and plus and minus, this is the third priority. Means whenever you have many operator, so which one will you take at first? The first one is power, second one is star and divide, and third one is plus and minus. Now, second we have written, if the token is an operand, do not stack. What is the meaning of this? You will just learn after some time. If the token is an operand, do not stack. Third one, if the token, just listen, if the token is an operator or parenthesis, then pop the stack until lower priority not find, and if parenthesis closed, then pop. What is this? You will learn after some time. You must write in your copy whatever we are teaching you. And last one, conditions. There are some conditions. Condition number one, same priority cannot exist. Okay, when I taught you, whenever you have multiple operator, okay, so at first you will take this one. So this is the second priority. So now both are same priority. So same priority cannot exist. In this condition you have to pop. The meaning of this. Okay. So same priority cannot exist. Lower priority cannot exist after the higher priority. Means this is the suppose big one and this is the small one. So such form cannot exist. And how to pop? By the help of FIFO, first in first out. So this algorithm you have to keep in your mind, then you can understand how to convert infix to postfix. Now I will come here, I will explain this example. Suppose in your class the teacher has asked A minus B plus C minus D. Okay, use infix. This you can see that this is infix because this is operand, and this is operator. So whenever the operator between the operand, that this is the infix. Now we have to convert this infix to postfix. How? So at first you have to write the symbol, then stack, then postfix. these are all array. Okay, so all the symbols you have to write one by one here. Okay, you can see that parenthesis, then a, then minus, then b, then parenthesis closed, then after then plus, then after then parenthesis open, then this is c. Because both are same, so we have done some distinguish between them. Okay, then minus d, then parenthesis closed. Now we have written this symbol means parenthesis, it will come here in stack, and all the operand it will come here. Okay, so this is operand will come here. Okay, minus will come here. Okay, this at first this come here, then a will come here, then minus will come here, then b then b will come here. Okay, operand. Now at last parenthesis closed. Whenever the parenthesis closed, you will pop. Same line we have written here. Okay, if the token pop the stack until lower priority. No, okay, this is not. If the parenthesis closed, then pop. We have written in our algorithm, if the parenthesis closed, then pop. Same thing. You can see that here the parenthesis closed, so you will pop. So will pop means you will remove this one, so it will come here. B minus. Okay. Now next plus will come here. So plus will come here in your stack. Okay. Next symbol is plus will come here. AB plus minus. Now next symbol is parenthesis. So parenthesis will come here. Okay. Next is C will come here. Why? Because of operand. Then minus will come here. All the parenthesis and the operator, it will come here. Okay, so when the parenthesis will close or same parenthesis you will get, or such type of form you will get, such type of form, then you have to pop, otherwise never pop. Okay, so now after C minus will come here, then D will come here because of this is operand. Now the parenthesis closed, so parenthesis, whenever the parenthesis closed, so you will pop this one. Okay, you will pop this one minus, so minus will come here, and there is only plus one at last, so this plus will also pop. So this is your final answer, A, B minus C, D minus plus. So this is the final answer. I think that you understand. Suppose you do not understand, suppose maybe it can possible. So this is the best example. Okay, this is the best example, last one. Okay, maybe it is visible, you can understand it. If you are not able to understand, I will solve another question. This is the best one. The best question is, I will explain here. This is the best. So now convert in your exam. Suppose he has asked to convert the infix to postfix. How? The question is A plus B parenthesis closed star C minus parenthesis open D star E parenthesis closed minus parenthesis open F plus G M parenthesis closed. So at first symbol, all the symbols you have to write here. How many symbols are here? Parenthesis, then A, then plus, then B, then parenthesis closed, then star, then C, then after then minus, then parenthesis open, okay, then D star E, then D star E. Everything you have to write. Parenthesis closed, then minus. You can see that after the minus, then plus and F plus Z, then parenthesis closed. So all the symbols you have to write here now. So one by one it will read. So at first you have this parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis will come here. Parenthesis will come here. Then A operand will come here. A. Then plus will come here. Okay. Then B operand will come here. Then parenthesis closed. I told you that whenever the parenthesis closed, you have to pop it. So if you are popping, then it will come here. Very simple. Now, then star will come here. Then this is actually C. I think that this is C. Then C will come here. Why? Because of C is the operand. Okay, operand will come here. Okay. Then minus will come here. Now you can see that here. This is the big one, this is the small one. I told you that the big brother and after the small brother, such type of form cannot exist. Means this is the higher priority, this is lower priority. Already we teach you, this is a higher priority, lower priority. So this form cannot exist, you have to pop. So whenever you are popping, you have to use this method. What method? This is the first in first out. Okay, so it will pop star. So it star popped. Okay, now minus. Okay, only minus is there. After then parenthesis open, parenthesis will come here. D, this is the operand, operand will come here. Okay, then star will come here. Then E is the operand, operand will come here. Okay, operand every time it will come here. Then parenthesis closed. Whenever the parenthesis closed, it will pop. Which one? Star will pop. So star will come here. Very simple. Now there is only minus. Okay, minus. Now again minus. Two same sign cannot exist. So in this condition you have to pop. So whenever you are popping, you have to use this method. So this one first, so it will pop at first. Okay, this is minus will come here. Okay, there is only minus. Now parenthesis open, parenthesis will come here. F will come here because this is operand. Okay, plus will come here because this is the sign. Then G, this is the operand will come here. Now parenthesis closed, again parenthesis closed. Whenever parenthesis closed, you will pop. So plus it will pop will come here. Okay, means plus will come here. Now at last there is only one minus and there is nothing. Here nothing, it means that this will also pop. So this is your final answer. I think that you understand how to solve the problems whenever the teacher is asking to you. So there are multiple of questions we have solved. Okay, and this question also we have explained this problem. Okay, A star B divide C plus D. Okay, in our class. Now the question is actually what is this tree actually. So I will explain you the tree also. Already we have explained in the classroom. So you can see that this is A star B divide C plus D. So at first A, okay, you have written A here. You have written A here. Then B you have written here, and star. So this is left, this is right, this is digit. In your infix, left digit right. We have written left digit right. Okay. Then after then this is divide. We have divided written here. Then C left digit right. We have written left digit right. Now you are thinking how it can possible. Okay, the tree, how it can possible. So now you have done the tree. How to draw the tree, I will also teach you. So once you draw the tree, then after then this is the infix. The tree is the infix form. Okay, infix form. Now how to convert from this tree to postfix? So you can see that what is the method of postfix. The method of postfix is LRB. We have also created this tree by the help of left digit right. Okay, if you understand what is left digit right, we have also draw this tree by the help of left digit right. Left digit right. Okay, then digit, this is left, digit, this is right. Left digit right. If you understand, if your mental level is just higher, you can understand. Okay, I will teach you again. Now once you drawn the tree, and then what will you write? This is the left. This is the definition of postfix, means left right digit. So this is your left. Okay, this is left. In your tree, this is tree. This is the left. In your left tree, this is left, and this is digit. This is right. So you will write here left digit right. Sorry, left right digit. Because of your postfix form is left right digit. Left right digit. So left right digit means A B star. A B star you have done. So now left you have done. So what is the definition of postfix? Means algorithm of postfix. Left right digit. Left you have done. Now right. In your right again left right digit. So in your right tree, this is left, this is right, this is tree vertex. So left means C D plus. CD plus. Now left done, right done. This is vertex, means LRV again. L done, R done, digit is divide done. So you can see that by the help of tree we can also write the postfix form. Suppose you are not getting, maybe you can see that in the previous example we have written this A B plus C star D star minus F G plus minus. You can see here already we explained. Okay, so how this one has come? if you understand this tree, you can understand. You can see that this is left, this is right, this is digit. Done. After then this is left, this is left, this is right, C is right, digit. Done. Star. Now here left, right, digit. Okay. Here also left, right, digit. Done. Okay. Now. So now here this is done. This is left. Okay. This is left. Now this is right. The overall is right. Then this is digit. Now for this overall, this is left. Means this overall, this is left, and this is digit, and this is right. By the help of this, we have drawn this graph. If your mental level is just above, you can understand. Okay. In the online video lecture, it is not possible to teach you everything. If your mental level just above, you can understand how it is working. Very simple. Already we have explained many times in the classroom. Here also we solved. This is the best example. Okay. By the help of this example, all the this algorithm, okay, the phases we have covered here. This is the best example. Just pause the video and write this method. You have to convert this infix to postfix. Very, very simple. Okay. This example we have already solved in the classroom. This example already we have solved in the classroom. Some student, they asked that why are you not using other symbols, parenthesis, only one. In the higher classes you have to use only the one parenthesis. These are the kids, for the kids, this symbol, okay. For the kids already, this is you are using in matrix or greatest integer in mathematics, and also in matrix also, and this is also in set theory you are using. So don't ask such type of silly questions. Okay. So you are in higher standard, so all the symbols are same. Okay. In your higher standard, you have to use this method. Now tree already we have explained. There are also many examples we have explained in the classroom. Okay. So and already we have done a lot of methods. Okay. You can see also this method, and also we have explained this method also. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Okay. Final answer. And this one already solved. Okay. And we have also given you some homework. Okay. All the students, they must try to solve the level 1. Very simple. A plus B plus C. Level 2, A plus B star C divide D. Level 3, A power D, B and divide C star D. And level 4 is A power B divide C star D divide D. And level 5 is 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 divide 3 star 3 power 3 upon 3. Then level 6 is level 4 power level 5. Very, very simple. So we have done all the methods, many examples. Okay. So if you are not getting anything, you must ask. Okay. Thank you so much. In the next lecture, we will try to teach you how to write such type of code. Okay. In the C programming, C++, Java, in any language. Okay. Thank you so much.